What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, it's a brand new week and I'm back in Five Below looking for all the new deals to share with you guys. So I figured I'd come back here to the clothing area. You guys know all the clothes are just $5 and under. But these are brand new. These little dresses are brand new. They have the white. Now this is sort of a soft cotton and this one feels a little different. And then they have this pretty pink one. The really super soft blue. Birdie was looking for the striped dress, but I don't think they have it here anymore. These are all dresses. They have the little jumpers. These are brand new. The cute little jumpers. And they almost feel knitted. Kind of fuzzy. They have this gray one. And then they have this kind of charcoal black one. And again, these are jumpers. They're little shorts. So cute. All these little headbands and bandanas are just $3 each. All the crossbodies that are here, I think were here last week. They also have the $5 sandals. Let's see if we have any new slides. I am still wearing my slides I got here from last year. I wear them from time to time. They're super comfortable and I really, really like them. The only thing I have to say is don't put baby oil on your feet and then wear these, or the bottom of your feet will turn dark black and it will be kind of dyed for a day or two. So kind of be mindful of that. I had really stained soles for a couple of days. It was kind of funny. But yeah, besides that, I really, really love those slides. The fanny packs, so pretty. And then I think all the hats are the same too. They have some of the satin ones, some of the matching glittery ones that match the fanny packs. And then they also have the visors here. They're so nice to me in here, you guys. They turn the music all the way down, so it's like super quiet. You guys are always asking, where are the other shoppers? They're here, you guys. It's just the store gets really quiet when they turn the music down for me, which I really, really appreciate. But yeah, other shoppers are here. Wow, you guys are always also saying, show more boys things. So back here, I'm finding lots and lots of new things. Lots of new things like this 2-in-1 shampoo and body wash, and the container is huge. It's 34 ounces. They have the scent Savage, they have Power, they have Thrill, and they also have Revolution. These are for men. And then they have some new men's masks. These are brand new. The Peel Off Gel Mask. This is Volcanic Ash. And then they have a Total Control Whiskey Rye Clay Mask. These are just 5-minute masks. And then I think these are probably new for Father's Day. The little shave set in black peppercorn. And then they also have smoked bourbon. That sounds really nice. It is really exciting to see all these new items for men. They have the shave gel, the shampoo and conditioner 2-in-1, the Axe body wash in Apollo, Phoenix. My husband likes that Phoenix scent. They have Excite, and they have some $4 fingernail and toenail clippers. Wow, those are all new this week. And of course they have a nice variety of socks. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. Look, these are all $3 each. And they kind of feel like when you cook a shrinky dink afterwards, it's kind of like a lightweight hard plastic. These are all just $3 keychains. The clouds and the rainbows are so cute. The unicorns, everything is just so happy and cute over here. Oh my gosh, look at these little magnets. Succulent goodness, good friends stick together, proud owner of plants, and free hugs. These are $4. They also have the pandas that are new this week. This one is so cute. I smell rainbows, dare to be different. Hello, my friends. I'm a unicorn, and sparkle wherever you go. And then they have cute little Boston Terriers here. These are so cute. 4 little magnets for $4. Those would be really, really cute for your locker. And of course, tons and tons of keychains, like so many. They have all the ones here, like if you're a Pisces or a Virgo. They have Kitty Burger up here. These are all $3, just $3. And what do they have over here? These are split heart key rings. Boo and Bay. They have Proud Dog Mom. I love my dog mom. Big sister, little sister, best friends, devil and angel. Oops, what was that? That was a little, what was that? A little frog. These are so cute. Where do you go, little frog? I think these are new too, the little light up keychains. The kitty, it says try me, but I don't really know what we do. Oh, let's press the button. Dinosaur. The rooster's not turning on. Snail. Kitty. Let's see. Let's try kitty. 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 Rooster. Okay, let's see if we can find the home for this little guy. I think probably over here somewhere. No, not up here. Probably down here. These are new too. I'm just going to put them down here for now. I'm not really sure where he goes, but I think some of these are new. These are also $3. This one is so cute. Boing, 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 boing. Really, really nice yoga mats. I think this blue one might be new this week. Those are just $5. Tons of workout stuff. Bras, pants, capris, sweats. Oh, I think this one might be new. Buzz Lightyear to infinity and beyond. This is definitely a new tee, and it's a Disney licensed. I believe it's a Disney licensed shirt. Just $5. Let's look over here and see if we can find any new ones. If you guys are super loyal and you're here every week, then you guys are probably spotting the new ones, or you're spotting the items that you saw last week. But I would love for you guys to hit the bell and get notified. That way, every time I put up a video, you guys won't miss any of them. Oh, they even added more to their clearance. They added this additional rack here with little Hatchimal party prop accessories. Everything in the clearance is always 50% off. This is a Good Vibes wall tapestry for $2.50. Be your own kind of beautiful. And this one says, mermaids have more fun. That's also $2.50. The clearance area is getting bigger and bigger every week. And everything is always half off. What is this? This is for $2.50. This is a headrest mount to hold your iPads. Fits all 7 to 12 inch tablets. And then they have some half price Shopkins here. These would be like $1.49. Here's the little price chart. I've been showing more and more clearance at different stores because I feel like you guys are really enjoying my videos where I show the best deals, like the clearance deals. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this so much. It says it's just $2, so that would make it just $1, but I love this. I actually have some of this on top of my polish right now. These are really, really good. These are $1 face masks if you buy 5. If you buy 1, they're $1.25 each. I think this one might be new. This is Wild Cherry and Collagen. This is $1.25 each. And look, They now have some face masks for men. Volcanic ash. We have some Palmer's. What is this? This is a deep conditioning protein pack for hair. That's $2.50. $2.50 also is the Zero Break pre-shampoo. Melting sugar face mask for $2. They have the matcha. This is the matcha by Freeman. The lemon meringue. Ooh, the rose gummy bear. And then these are new. Also by Freeman, Neon Vibes, Ghosted, Clean Pores, Cosmic Hollow Peel-Off Mask in Luminizing Rose Quartz. And this is a nice big pack. This is a 5-pack for $5. I think most of these are $3. I don't show these all the time, but I think they're super cute. I have the little panda at home. I'm not seeing the one I have. But I really like these. I think mine is like a panda minus the horn. Mine isn't a panda corn. Mine is just a panda. The alien. And then they have these silky ones over by the keychains. That's actually out of place. Love Yourself sleep mask. And they have some microfiber hair towels for $3. This is a 2-pack for $5. It's a hair turban and a shower cap. It feels like it might be a really big shower cap, but I'm not sure. They also have yellow. I think mostly just yellow and green. Let's see. I was trying to see if it said anything about the size of it being really big, but I can't really tell. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some other parts of the store in my next video, so be sure to come back. Oh my gosh, look you guys, I'm spotting new sketchbooks. That means in my next video, I'm gonna go over to the back to school supplies, the art supplies, and I'm gonna see if I can find some of those and show them to you because I know you guys love seeing everything new from Five Below. But hey you guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please let me know that you did by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.